Is my hat straight? It wasn't straight in the Tech Touch video. Pop quiz, Peak Design fans. What do we sell more of than almost any other product? Packing cubes. What makes Peak Design packing cubes so great? Well, they're strong, lightweight, compressible, expandable, dividable, quick opening, and self-healing. They're designed specifically to work in our travel bags, but work great in our everyday bags also. Peak Design packing cubes come in 3 distinct flavors: small, medium, and shoe pouch. So why use packing cubes at all when you could just throw the stuff into the bag? Well, that used to be what I asked, and I was a fool. Having packing cubes is almost like bringing your dresser drawers with you. It keeps everything organized. It actually lets you bring a little bit more, especially with the compressible feature. And I find that whatever base camp is, it makes it feel a little more like home. So when I'm traveling, I normally put socks, underwear, and maybe t-shirts in the small packing cube, pants, shorts, and maybe some button-down shirts if I'm bringing one into the larger one, and shoes in the shoe pouch. Now, I come from a long line of overpackers. Most of the time, I'm not gonna need more clothes than what I can fit into these. Maybe sometimes another small packing cube. No, see, there I go, overpacking again. Let's take a closer look at the small packing cube real quick. All the packing cubes have great little carrying handles on the back. The main fabric is a 40D self-healing nylon. So if it's got little puncture wounds, it'll close those up on its own. Oh, look, Peter Daring's FaceTiming. Look, you're being filmed.
Nice.
So you'll notice on the side, there's a zip, and this goes all the way around the bag, and that is the expansion. Or if it's unzipped and you've packed it up and want to make it smaller, that's compression. 2 features in one. Then up at the front of the cube are 2 Hypalon tabs, and you pull on those to use the quick open feature, like so. Instant access to the full contents of your packing cube. Let's say I go out for the day. I've got this cool graphic Peak Design tee that I wear. It gets all hot and sweaty, and I come back. I can go to the bottom of my packing cube and undo this second zipper. And I've got a whole second compartment in here where I can put my dirty clothes, my stinkies, as our director of marketing, Adam Saraceno, likes to call them. Now, both the small and medium packing cube have this dirty divider. So in addition to that other t-shirt that I just ripped out of there, I've got 6 more t-shirts and 3 pairs of thick socks. And that was to keep this in its compressed state. If I was okay having it in the expanded state in my bag, I could probably fit 10 to 12 t-shirts in there. All right, let's take a quicker look at the medium packing cube. This one also has the quick open technology. Ooh. And in here, I've got a sweater, got some athleisure pants, another lightweight sweater, shorts, and some Levi's. So if this cube holds about 10 or 12 t-shirts when it's in the expanded state, this medium cube will hold about double that, so 20 to 24 t-shirts, or the equivalent amount of other clothes. Just like on the small packing cube, I've got a dedicated zipper at the bottom where I can put dirty clothes. All right, and real quick, let's take a look at the shoe pouch. Something really cool about shoe pouch, it's got this really nice waterproof zip. As the name suggests, this is a great bag for shoes. It's airtight, keeps the nasty smell out, and keeps the dirt of the shoes off of your other clothes. This is also a really fantastic pouch for just about anything. And if you pop a Peak Design strap on it, you can use it as a day bag. Observe. All right, and now I've got this unstructured little day bag. You can easily fit a camera. I've got a whole sweatshirt in here still. You can pop a wallet, keys, a little water bottle or something, you name it. Now, additionally, you can also use the built-in stuff sack and pack this thing in on itself. It's got a little snap. This shoe pouch packs down super tiny, so it's awesome to keep in a bigger bag on pretty much any trip you're taking. Peak Design packing cubes will make a pro traveler out of anyone, no matter how long that trip is. For more information about the packing cubes, check out some of our other videos here on YouTube, or check out peakdesign.com. Happy traveling. Now, I come from a long line of overpackers. I knew you couldn't handle it.